Okay, so we're now going to be adding and subtracting fractions. We now call them rational expressions because it's algebra. So that says, suppose I have, and here's a pizza that's divided into 6 pieces. I have 2/6 of a pizza added to 1/6 of a pizza. Well, if I pick up those 2 pieces and put them here, right, you're going to end up with half a pizza. So it's 3/6 of a pizza, and 3/6, of course, is the same as 1/2. What I wanted to have this point out is this. If you're combining things, addition and subtraction is a counting process. And you can only count things that are alike. So that if I have my pens, and amongst my pens, I have a pencil, I could say, I can't say I have 4 pens because I don't have 4 pens. I have 3 pens and 1 pencil. However, if I wanted to count all the writing implements I have, pencils are writing implements, so I could say I have 1, 2, 3, 4 writing implements. They have to have the same name. So with fractions, that means the same name is the same denominator. So that says I have 2/6, I have 1/6. How many sixths do I have? So it would be how many sixths you say I'd have 2 plus 1 or 3. And it's the same if you were subtracting and you had 3/6 of a pizza and somebody came in and ate a piece, like my brother-in-law. He might come in and wolf a piece down when I'm not looking. And then that says how many pieces do I have, how much do I have left? I have 2/6 because he ate 1/6. So as long as I'm counting the same thing, which means they have the same denominator, that's its name, I'm counting how many of those denominator pieces I have. Okay. So that's the addition and subtraction with fractions. So that says if I had 1/4 and I add 2/4 of the fourths, I have 1 plus 2 of them, or 3/4. So the denominators have to be the same because you're counting. If I have 4/5 minus 2/5, I'm now counting how many fifths I have. I have 4 take away 2, which is 2/5. There is no difference between algebra and arithmetic and how it operates. It's just the level of complication. So that says in general, if I had A over B and C over B, and I'm adding, if the denominators are the same, you just add the 2 numerators. If I have A over B, subtract C over B, if the denominators are the same, you just subtract the 2 numerators. So that if I have 2x minus 1 over 3 plus x plus 3 over 3, since the denominators are the same, that says I have, now by the way, these 2 numerators are really in parentheses. They're separate entities. Over 3, because the denominator is the same, I have 2x minus 1, and there's the addition of the 2 numerators. Because I'm adding, the parentheses don't have any meaning. And that says it's 2x plus 1x is 3x, minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. And now since we're in algebra, we would reduce the fraction, just like on your last pre-homework. You had 21 over 15, right? You reduce the fraction. Here I've got 3x plus 3 over 3. I factor and reduce. That's what we did last time. The 3's reduce out, and my answer ends up being x plus 1. So that's essentially what we're doing.